For over 70 years, Brisbane Smiles has delivered Brisbane's #1 patient experience with a highly experienced team focusing on you and your family's dental care. The state-of-the-art practice is located in Toowong and features custom treatment rooms, all with modern technology and large ceiling TVs for streaming movies and TV shows during your appointment. Though what sets Brisbane Smiles apart is the on-site dental laboratory. With 3D design, 3D printing and 3D milling machines, the technicians provide the most bespoke and custom smile designs, crowns, veneers, mouthguards and lab services with the highest precision. The team has specialised roles in each department, from our experienced dentists, oral health therapists and dental hygienists, through to our treatment coordinators and receptionists, who are all focused on delivering quality care and service to both our existing and new patients. Brisbane Smiles is committed to supporting our local community, with our team visiting our local kindergartens each year, delivering oral hygiene education for children to understand the importance of brushing, flossing and a good diet. Whether you need a checkup, have a dental emergency or require cosmetic or complex dental care, our Brisbane Smiles team can help. Call 3870 3333 or go to brisbanesmiles.com.au to book online.